Let's count muna. Let's count the object inside the box. Count number 1 ha. How many flowers inside the box? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Count. Where is number 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 3. Saan ang 3 dito? Saan ang 3? I-circle. Very good. Next, this one. Wala pa. You wait. How many hearts inside the box? Let's count. 1. 1 heart. 1. Saan dito ang 1? Circle the 1. Very good. Next, this one. How many stars inside the box? Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito, 4. Saan ang 4? Count muna. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. This is 4. Saan ang 4? 4 po. Again. You listen. Wait lang. Dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Saan dito ang 4? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 4. Saan dito ang 4? Saan dito ang 4? 4. 4. Saan ang 4? Ito ang 4, Jerby, 4. Saan dito ang 4? Very good. Next, this one. Wala pa. Let's count muna. How many balls inside the box? 1, Jerby. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. Count tayo. 1, 2, Jerby. 1, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2. Saan ang 2 dyan? Good job. Next, last. Let's count the leaves inside the box. Wala pa. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saan dito ang 5? 5. Good job.